Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today we are having an unbagging. That means we have another review. So let's see who this is from. Well, would it help if I got it out of there? It's like 40 layers here for some reason. Seriously. There we go. Oh. Trying. All right. So we have 2 stamped cross stitches, and these are from DIYChoose. And we'll get started here. So the first one is a 60 by 45, and it was $13.49. Let me get it out of its bag. Get that out of my freeway. Very pretty. Of the vase by the window. And those light gauzy type curtains in the, covering the windows. I remember when those were really, really popular. All right, so it has the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Let's see how this pattern looks. Whoops, sorry, my bad. It does have instructions on how to start, how to finish. This is a very big, pattern paper. Very nice. Whoa, 48 colors. Now it does have some blotching up in here. Doesn't look like it's too terribly bad or in any pertinent parts, but it's just a little blotchy right there. I will let them know that. Let's take a look at the colors. We have lots of colors. We have that 154, which is that mulberry color. We have 310 black, 550 purple. I don't see any reds, reds. We have that 777 red, though. We have 823, no 939. We have 3371, which is the dark brown. And 3865. And is going to be kind of confettied, especially in this big bouquet. Very, very confettied. I will show you better on the canvas, but nice big pattern. It might have to be blown up, for some. That's fine. I'll just hold it this way, but I can see all the symbols. It's about a 14 count, the pattern actual size. Does that make sense? This is an 11 count kit, but what I'm saying is the print is about a 14 count. So you may or may not want that blown up. So let's see what we got over here. We do have a toolkit with a tiger, 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. Very nice. And the threads have how big it is and the product number matching paper pattern, canvas, and this bag. So that's nice. Let's take a look inside. Damn, I gotta roll my sleeve up or push it up. Keeps getting in my way. It's that time of year already. Here we are. All right. So I'm not seeing any hanks. They may have put it, sometimes they put all the threads on the thread card, and other times they give you a hank. So this one looks like it's all on the threaded card here. Trying to get them all to go straight. Oh my goodness, really, guys? So lots of pinks, lots of purples. Look at all the pinks. Look at that teal. Isn't that gorgeous? And we have purple. We have kind of mocha colors. There's your 3865. that's it. Is that whole 2 strands of that? So not too much at all. Let's look over here. There's a little bit more 310 black. There's that mulberry color I was talking about. Beautiful. 550 purple. We have some grays, some purples, greens, pinks, magenta, and then we have regular red. I think that's the 777 red. Look at that fuchsia. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Just love my flowers. Beautiful, but that is a wad of thread. Yeah, so most of it's on the, all of it's on the thread cards, but yeah, so there's no extra hanks. So it must mean it's heavily distributed. Take a look at the canvas here. We do have some little ends over here. Oh my goodness. Big pattern, or canvas. Canvas is serged all the way around because I cut off the end fringe. You knew that. So, product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Nice big key over here. And the stitching just barely grazes, but your paper pattern will match, so if you need to look at what color that is, you can tell. Very nicely printed. Don't see any smudges or smears. Everything seems to be on point as far as the symbol on the actual grid. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Let's take a gander at how big it is. 59.5 or 23.5 inches. And this way it is 46 or almost 18.25 inches. Actual picture size is pretty close to 15.5 inches or a little over 39 centimeters that way. It's a big canvas. I mean, for me it is. It seems bigger. Okay, it's 56.5 centimeters or almost 22.25. So lots of stitching. There's some big areas. Most of the confetti seems like is maintained right here where that whole the bouquet is, and you're changing all those colors. Just gorgeous. But see, there's rivers of color here, and there's rivers of color on this side where that drape is, if you will, or curtains. And then there's some, so it's all kind of spread out and evened out, so there's not just one solid background color around the center of the focus. So very nice indeed. Very well printed. I will let them know about, you know, the few smudges on the paper pattern. All right, so the next one, let me get it out of its bag. Oh my goodness. Well, that is if I can get it out of the bag. Put that up there and flip. Then I'll open this up. Now this one was $11.79. It is a 40 by 60, but I just thought it was whimsical and different. I'm trying to get it to lay down flat. But yeah, it just had a lot of different like elements. Oh, yeah. I'm looking at the canvas over here going, oh my goodness. Yeah, it just looks cut and dry, doesn't it? Wait. Just wait for it. Oh my goodness. Well, we have issues all over this paper print. but I'm looking at the paper pattern itself is not too bad. It does have smudging and smearing. So I don't know if these are some that they haven't gotten out yet, you know, and redone. But yeah, this whole pattern is, you can kind of see it's kind of blurry more so than blotchy. I don't know. It's messed up big time. It does have 48 colors though, and it's going to be confetti hell. It looks like that. The colors, we have no 310 black. We do have that 154 mulberry again, 550 purple, 823, 939, no 3371, and it does have 3865. I can't believe it doesn't have any 310s, so what are they using for the dark? Oh, 939. But yeah, I love the picture. Yeah, I just wish this pattern had been printed a little bit better. Yeah. I mean, not that I personally, this is just personally, I do not use paper pattern unless there is something in question and I can't figure out what a symbol is. Very, very rarely do I use it. No, not at all. All right, let's take a look at this. We have another tiger. 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. Very nice. You have a bag of thread. It has how big it is and the product number that matches the paper pattern and the canvas. Get these threads out of its baggie here. Once again, there are no hanks of thread. Everything's on the deal. We're trying here. Hang on. It needs a shake. All right. We'll start from the trying. Everybody's attached. So there's your 3865, but you have blues and teals and turquoises, kind of a rose color, kind of a pinky purple, and that lovely mocha looking color. It's beautiful. Beautiful colors. They're nice and bright. Beautiful. Blues, dark blue, cerulean blue, turquoise, more pinkish purple. Got lots of greens in this. 550 purple. This one right here is 154, which is the mulberry I keep talking about. So very nice. Beautiful, beautiful jewel-toned type colors. I don't know, I just thought the whole thing was just kind of an odd looking thing, you know? And I like how everything looked like a cartoon, not a cartoon, coloring book, you know, type thing. I don't know. Gorgeous. How can you have this gorgeous picture and then you mess up the paper pattern? I don't get it. Slow down, people. But yeah, it's just different. It looks like something out of one of those adult coloring books things that you could do. So it'll be interesting to see how that all stitches up. All right. So we have a serged canvas here with little fuzzies on the end. Getting a few of those lately. Let's take a look at the pattern. Oh, did I miss one? Dagnabbit. If I don't cut those off. Yeah, very lightweight canvas, though. Yeah, but look at that confetti hell. Oh, yeah. Very nicely printed, though. Let me flip it. Yeah, it's all printed very nice. Very easy to see symbols. But yeah, it's just one color right after another. And there's some moments. Lots of moments. 48 colors though. And the serging just grazes like the bottom part or the side of the numbers. Some it's into more than others, but it doesn't bother me. Not at all. Nicely, it's so thin, the thing, I want to have something underneath it so you can actually see it. But very well printed, you know, key. See everything really clear. They're about a quarter of an inch each one, all the way down. Yeah. So let's open this up. But I'm liking that it's on that thinner canvas, though. I get spoiled with that thin canvas, and then I get something that's really thick. It's like, oh, okay. Yeah, I'm liking those thin canvases. All right, let's see. It is 61.5 that way, and it is 39.5, or a little over 15 inches. Actual picture size is 13.25 inches, or a little over 33.5 centimeters by, looks like, we'll call it 21.75 inches, or 55 centimeters. So it's skinnier than that other one. I kind of like that, you know, you can start at the top and work your way down, or start at the bottom and work your way up, whatever you want to do. It's up to you. There are no rules. None at all. But, yeah. So, this will be like an adventure. I don't know if it'll be an adventure in terror, but yeah, it'll be a hot moment. Okie dokie. So those are the two that I got from DIYChoose. They have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number tools and crafts for both. They have a separate Joy Sunday section. They also do custom, and I'm not sure what they do custom in, whether it's all three of those or just one or two of those. I have no idea. You might check that out. They do have beaded cross stitch and embroidery, and if they have any specials, or if I have a discount code, I will put that in the description box below. Thank you, DIYChoose, for sending me these two beautiful kits. Yeah, it'll take a hot moment. I don't know where I'd start on either one, so we'll see. Alright guys, thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.